Keep the camera perpendicular to the paper. The distance between the camera and the machine is 550 millimeters high. Before performing the visual alignment function, the camera must be positioned at the center of the machine. Adjust the scale to 95% and use the border to confirm the engraving position. Click Engraving here, and the machine will start. Wait for the machine to complete the process. Click Next step in the software to capture the image. Click Capture to capture the engraving target on the canvas on the right. Click Next step again to enter the Mark Target page. Here, double-click the center point in the order 1, 2, 3, 4 until the process is complete. Click the camera to capture an image onto the canvas. The canvas will be the engraving format for our machine. Import the file to be engraved and begin engraving. Ensure that the engraving position is aligned with the canvas for successful visual alignment before batch fill can be performed. The engraved position coincides with the position on the canvas. First, place the filament to be engraved, click the camera, and capture an image onto the canvas. Import the material to be batch filled. Place it on a filament, click Batch Fill, and wait for each filament to be recognized. Set the parameters, click the border, and click Engraving. The machine will start running. Wait for the result to be displayed.